Once you're done, just insert your Joy-Con controllers into the Toy-Con you want to use, and you're ready to play. Let's take a closer look. Insert a key, step on the pedal, and steer with the wheel to drive, just like you would in a real car. There's lots more to the car than just the wheel, though. Give the pull cord a tug to pop a speed-boosted wheelie, then let it go to jump. Uh-oh, the wipers definitely come in handy at a time like this. With the knobs on these levers, you can also select a saw blade, a bomb-tossing catapult, or even the in-game radio. Don't forget to refuel. Accurate steering, a responsive pedal, and the ability to reverse all make you feel as if you're really driving. Just what you'd expect from a Nintendo Labo Toy-Con. But hold up, Master Driver, the fun doesn't stop there. If you move your key into this Toy-Con, your vehicle changes into a submarine. Rotate the wheels, step on the pedal, and explore underwater. The propellers respond to the wheel's movement, so maneuver by skillfully controlling them. You can even fire out the anchor to do this. You can also transform your vehicle into a plane. Use the joystick and take to the sky. Try firing some missiles. You can change between these three vehicles at any time. Just use your key to swap. The car has an additional accessory to make, a screen stand for your console. Try it with gyro camera control on for an even more immersive experience. From a parched desert to snowy mountains to a savage swamp to a modern city, explore a mysterious world as you complete objectives and adventure. Help new friends get to their destinations. Work on your golf game. Even solve the mystery of the legendary Moai. Use your car, submarine, and plane to complete a variety of missions. You can also pair up with a friend and adventure as a team. In Rally, you pass through checkpoints as you race to the goal. You can't refuel in this mode, so don't go wandering off course. Circuit is a racing game with a twist. You can launch punches at your opponents. Battle your opponents as you speed for the finish line. Slot Car is a game that only uses the pedal and is easy to jump into. Aim for that sweet spot where you're going just fast enough to lead the pack without flying off the course. You and up to 3 friends can play together. Any courses you've created for your motorbike in the Variety Kit can be used in Circuit or Slot Car mode too. Battle features intense one-on-one automotive combat. Strike your opponent to whittle down their health. Take advantage of a variety of power-ups that can turbocharge your punches, boost your speed, make you bigger, and more. You can even make your own arenas. Arenas you've made have destructible terrain. In the Paint Studio, you can use the Toy-Con spray can to personalize your in-game vehicle. Feels just like a real spray paint can. It works like one too. Customize every inch just the way you like. You can use stencils to paint shapes too. There's nothing quite like seeing your work come to life. Say, how does this stuff work anyway? Looks pretty high-tech. But have no fear. In Discover, you'll find loads of handy, interactive tutorials that explain how each Toy-Con works. And once you understand the how, you can start inventing new Toy-Con and new ways to play in Toy-Con Garage. If you do this, what should happen? Connect input and output nodes to create your very own games and gadgets. In a feature that's brand new to Nintendo Labo called Custom Controls, this kit lets you make your own controllers for the games that come with the kit. Use your original Toy-Con creations in whichever game in the kit you want. Let your ideas run free. You could make something like this, or even this. Make, play, discover. Nintendo Labo Vehicle Kit. Oh, and one last thing. The Toy-Con car can also be used as a controller in the